It was not the plan. The plan was to win the game, but because of the physicality, the reorganization level of Crystal Palace, it was very difficult for us. Why? Because we conceded a goal on the first corner they had, and because we still lack a bit pace in the final third to change what we build up into dangerous situation. But we kept going, and in the end, it was enough to win the game, to win the 3 points. You could see for the first game of the season that nobody won at home. We are the only team who has won at home. So that shows you that it's difficult for everybody on the first day of the season. We got the 3 points we wanted. Let's focus now on Besiktas.
Well, I'm proud of the players, without a doubt. I'm proud of the performance. Disappointed not to have got something out of the game, which I think we deserved, and more disappointed with the manner of the goals we conceded. That's the only disappointment really from today. The 2 goals and the timing of the goals. But I think when you think what the players have been through the last couple of days, you're never quite sure how they're going to respond to Tony leaving. We spoke about it before the game. We sort of said to them, make sure there's no excuses. I didn't want to have to come in here today and stand up for them and say that their heads weren't on the job today because of what's happening. I think you could see by their performance and their togetherness that they were going to work hard for each other in this club.